How to conduct pre-op inspection in food safety? Today, we're diving deep into the world of pre-op inspections and food safety. Join us as we explore the importance of these inspections and how they help ensure food safety in various food establishments. Let's jump right in. Understanding pre-op inspections. Pre-op inspections are an essential part of maintaining food safety standards in any food establishment. The inspections are conducted before operations begin for the day and involve a thorough review of equipment, utensils, workstations, and other areas to ensure they are clean, sanitized, and ready. The significance of pre-op inspections. Pre-op inspections play a pivotal role in preventing foodborne illnesses and the spread of contaminants by identifying potential risks and addressing them before they become hazards. By conducting these inspections, we can proactively ensure that the facility meets food safety regulations and that all equipment is in proper working condition. Components of a pre-op inspection. A pre-op inspection should cover several key components. First, it's important to check the cleanliness of all surfaces, utensils, and equipment. This includes checking for any visible signs of dirt, residues, or cross-contamination. Additionally, inspecting the sanitary conditions of storage areas, refrigerators, and freezers is crucial to maintaining proper food storage practices. Steps in a pre-op inspection. Let's break down the steps involved in a pre-op inspection. Firstly, ensure that all equipment is properly assembled and in good working order. Next, check that the facility is free of any trash or debris. Then, verify the cleanliness of all food contact surfaces, including cutting boards, knives, and food preparation areas. Finally, don't forget to inspect the hand-washing facilities and ensure they're well-stocked and in proper working condition. Enter in pre-op inspection records. Recording the findings of pre-op inspections is crucial for accountability and regulatory compliance. These records help demonstrate due diligence in maintaining food safety standards. It's essential to keep detailed records, including dates, inspection results, actions taken to rectify any issues discovered, and signatures of those conducting the inspections. Benefits of pre-op inspections. Let's discuss the benefits of conducting pre-op inspections. By identifying and rectifying potential hazards before production begins, we can significantly reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses. Pre-op inspections also help maintain the quality and integrity of the final food product, leading to customer satisfaction and loyalty. Training and employee responsibility. Implementing pre-op inspections requires proper training and awareness among employees. It is their responsibility to follow established guidelines and report any issues or concerns promptly. By fostering a culture of food safety within the team, we can ensure everyone's commitment to maintaining health, safety, and quality throughout the food production process. By conducting pre-op inspections, we can proactively prevent foodborne illnesses, contamination, and other hazards, ensuring that the food we serve is safe and healthy for our valued customers. Let's prioritize food safety and make it an integral part of our daily operations. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We thank you for joining us today and for your commitment to food safety. We help with maintaining food safety program through development and implementation. Want to know if we can work together? Give us a call at 236-513-2488.